In this video, I will show you step by step how you can create a private server for free on Roblox. So the first thing we need to do is head over to Roblox, and then once we are on the main homepage right here, we can now go to the game and find the game that we want to create a private server on. So for me, I will go to Life Together, for example, click on the game, and then there is now a green play button. You want to click on the icon directly at the side of this, where you will now see an option for Create Private Server. Click on Create Private Server. That will then bring you over to this page, and now what you need to do is you want to enter in the server name. So for example, I will put in tutorial. As you will notice at the top, it does say create a private server for free. So once you've entered in your server name, just click on buy now. And then once you click on buy now, that will then create that private server for absolutely free. Now some games will charge for private servers, but Life Together and other games will not charge, and then you can create them for free. So it's just that simple, guys. That's how you can create a free private server on Roblox.